They left all the original details in this apartment while trying to keep it modern. So here's your kitchen. You've got a dishwasher, stainless steel appliances, really tall ceilings, split unit heat and AC. And here you can see some of the original details that they left. These are pretty cool windows. And you've got a little space for like a love seat and then a table over there, TV up on the wall, I guess. And near the bathroom, you've got space. You could put some decent storage over there, like a wardrobe or something. Then you've got the bedroom. You have the original fireplace with a mirror on top, exposed brick, another mirror over there, and a big closet. There's the closet. It's tall, it's wide, and they are doing construction next door, so you've got this scaffolding up, but this is a pretty nice bedroom. You're looking at a queen bed right there. Then you've got the bathroom, also really nice, and a nice deep tub, cool tiles on the wall. And there you have it.